Hello students, today we are going to begin a new topic, that is change the voice. Voice is the form of a verb takes to indicate whether the subject of the verb performs or receives the action. I'll repeat once again. Voice is the form of a verb takes to indicate whether the subject of the verb performs or receives the action. There are two types of voice. One is active voice and second is passive voice. What is active voice? Active voice indicates that the subject of the verb is acting because the subject does or acts upon the verb in such sentences. The sentences are said to be in the active voice. That means active voice indicates that the subject of the verb is acting. For example, Ram writes a letter. Now Ram is a subject, writes is a verb. So here subject Ram, writes verb is acting. I'll explain you with the help of the example. What is the subject? What is the verb of the object? Now here I have given some examples. That is, the subject is doing the verb's action. I swim in the ocean. I is the subject, swim is the verb and the ocean is the object. Sentence is classified here. That is subject, verb plus object. My mom plays violin. My mom is the subject, plays is the verb and violin is the subject. I am sure from both the example you have understood what is subject and the verb's action. Let us see the second type of voice, that is passive. In case of passive voice, the subject and the object flip-flop. That means subject becomes object and object becomes the subject. The subject becomes the passive recipient of the action because the subject is being acted upon or is passive. Such sentences are said to be in the passive voice. Now here I have given the examples of active voice and passive voice. How active voice converted into passive. It helps you to know the subject being acted upon by the verb. I ate the strawberry pie. So now I is subject, ate is verb, the strawberry pie, that is object. Now here the strawberry pie, object in case of active voice, becomes the subject in the passive voice. The strawberry pie was eaten by me. The sentence is in past tense, therefore we have used here was. Second, I bought a Honda car. A Honda car was bought by me. In the same way, the sun rises from the east. East is where the sun rises from. Rima can do skydiving. Skydiving can be done by Rima. So these are the examples helps you how to change the active voice into passive voice. The passive voice requires a double verb and will always consist of a form of the verb to be and the past participle which ends with en, ed or t form of another verb. For example, John baked the bread. The bread was baked by John. Now here was is a form of the verb be. Is it clear? John baked the bread. So the bread was baked by John. Was is a form of the verb be. Now examples of passive voice. The cookies were eaten by the children. Again, it is a passive voice. It is in past tense. So when we change into active, you have to keep the tenses or as it is. Now, the children ate the cookies. Passive voice. Second one, the tunnels are dug by the gophers. The gophers dug the tunnels. Dear students, I have given here the chart of active and passive voice examples. Please go through each examples and find out how to solve it. This table helps you to understand the voice, how to convert active into passive. Previously, in the previous slide, we have studied how passive voice converted into active. You should learn both active into passive and passive into active. Therefore, go through this chart, write all the examples in your notebook and try to solve independently. 1-2 examples you copy down, that is active into passive. Rest all, take the question of active voice and try to solve it and then match with this given table. That helps you to understand how to transform active into passive or passive into active. Now here also I have given some questions for the practice. Change the sentences below to the active voice. Okay, these are all passive voice, you have to convert into active. The same here also I have given some more questions. Please change it into whatever the instruction given as it is. Change the sentence below to the passive voice. Now this is active, you have to change into passive. Previous slide I have given passive, you have to convert into. Read the questions carefully, write all the given notes, put particular date, the video, the day you have seen the video, and solve all the examples without fail. Thank you. Till then, have a nice day.